Hey guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with my Evolve, Die, or Repeat video, and this is the update for this week. I've added 2 new abilities, continuing the SuperSpeed superpowers line, and let's just go in game and see how they work. Okay, first thing I want to do is change the number of people to about 50, because a lot of these abilities have to do it running, and give myself some ability points. Maybe one more ability point. And so right here you go to super speed, and now you can see at the next 2 levels they will give you 25% of your characters will get 50% attack speed to the attack, but their actual damage will be decreased by 30%, and that's just to make things equal so they won't be overpowered. If you go down further, you can see they get the new drive-by ability. The drive-by ability makes them charge at the enemy really fast, and then they create an explosion from running through the air so fast, and that creates an explosion for 1000% damage. They can only do that drive-by attack once around. So let's just go in game and see how it looks. Just going to increase my health, and you can see it's similar to the damage ability. But it's similar to the bomber ability, but they can keep fighting afterwards. And they do a good job of actually holding off the enemy until your other people can arrive. And we won. Let's just make this even and give the computer some the ability to gain abilities just so it's even. And I really like how it looks because they really do hit them at light speed. I'll probably change out the explosion effect later on, but it's pretty funny to watch it happen now. And there they go. I missed whether the computer actually chose to use an ability. This time they gained the absorber. The absorber is actually really powerful. I didn't notice that before. If he doesn't get killed instantly, he can do some real damage. And it looks like he's gonna really start doing damage. Oh, it killed him. Thank God. Lately, the computer's been picking the absorber hero, and he's just been destroying me with that hero. And you can see what he's doing now. I think I'm gonna lose this round. Yeah, the absorber guy is pretty powerful. And one of the things that he has over the superpower people is when they charge, they attack directly. They don't take any damage from that explosion thing, but they do get attacked by everybody, and he gets in the last hit. So he kind of has an advantage on that part. Oh, looks like they got the AoE attack. Yeah. Huh, they actually killed him though. Thank God. And the good thing about when they charge them, they have increased attack speed. So those superpower beings in the late game can take out the whole team. Let's just increase it to 100 people and see how it works out. The ability was actually really overpowered the first time I put it in because they gained increased health, and you can see how it's kind of overpowered there. They actually took out the absorber, man, but yeah. Oh no, he made it to the other side, and they killed the absorber, man. Anyway, that's the new ability. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.